Are you looking to grow your digital marketing agency? Seeking a new revenue stream? Or maybe you want to build some serious authority in your local area? If you answered yes to any of these, then stick around, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Dawn, and today, I'm thrilled to share something that can transform your business. It's a system designed to build instant authority, effortlessly connect you with high-paying local clients, and open up new revenue streams. And the best part? It's a done-for-you solution that takes just minutes to set up. If you're in the marketing services game, you know the hardest part is building relationships and finding prospects. It's tough out there. Competition is fierce, and it's hard to get noticed. You've got to hustle nonstop just to get a foot in the door. Plus, business owners need marketing help, but they hate feeling like they're being sold to. They get bombarded with pitches every day, and what they really want is someone they can trust, someone who gets their needs without the hard sell. What if I told you there's an easy way to connect with businesses? A way to build relationships effortlessly and establish instant authority? What if business owners started coming to you, asking for help, instead of you chasing them down? That's where the local directory model comes in. Imagine owning a professional directory that local businesses actually want to join. It's not just a listing site, it's a community hub. You provide a valuable service by connecting businesses with customers, and in turn, you become the trusted authority in your local market. Now, creating an online directory sounds like a massive task, right? Technical headaches, complicated systems, time-consuming setups. But what if you could skip all those challenges and jump straight to success? Let me introduce you to Local Directory Fortune, my best-selling product series that has been helping hundreds of consultants and marketing agencies like you build multiple revenue streams. From listing fees to marketing services, the opportunities are endless. Local Directory Fortune City Stars is my most powerful directory system ever. It's designed to help you easily list businesses and events in any area you choose. Within minutes, you can have a local business directory up and running on your WordPress site, setting you on the path to instant authority and relationships that lead to long-term business growth. What you will get here is a fully functional, beautiful, and user-friendly local business directory ready to launch with done-for-you site copy and images. Everything in the system is set up for you to start immediately. Plus, you'll get a promotional video and social media templates to make promoting your directory a breeze. Whether you're just getting started or you've been in the marketing game for years, Local Directory Fortune will give you the edge you need to become a standout marketer. And the best part? We're offering an exclusive early bird launch deal. Get in now and take advantage of special pricing before it goes up. Don't miss this chance to transform your business and become the go-to resource for local businesses in your area. So, what are you waiting for? Click Get Instant Access to get Local Directory Fortune City Stars today, and start crafting the success stories we'll talk about tomorrow.